What is up, YouTube? So today I'm with my brother.
Hi.
Okay, he's shy.
I'm not shy.
He is. Okay, so gonna play Clash of Clans. Yeah. Okay, so I did tell you guys I was gonna do an air raid. I'm gonna do an air raid. Please. Say hi. I suck at typing. Okay. So let's stop. Okay. So I'm gonna go for an attack. No. Okay, I suck at air raids. So I don't know if I can do one. Okay, I'm just gonna go for these people. Get the corner buildings for my minions. Yes. Okay, so go in with my. Oh, dang, I forgot to train the right spells. It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be bad. I'll just drop that in. Hurry up. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, my friend. Oh my gosh! I was raiding! Oh my god. Now I have to go back on and I'm probably my raid's gonna be bad. Oh my gosh, dude, now my raid's gone wrong. Why did you have to text me, dude? This raid's gonna be bad. He texted me. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, I got the 1 star. Good. Just let my king clean up. Oh! So, he's raged up. Yeah, end it. Oh, I got my star bonus. So tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and peace out.